Welcome back to Everyday Alchemy, where we turn inner darkness into gold with practical psychology and ancient alchemical wisdom. I'm your host, the Heathen Therapist. Today we descend into the dark. We're talking about emotional Nigredo, the first and often most painful stage of transformation. In classical alchemy, Nigredo is the blackening. It's the putrefaction. It's the rot, the breaking down of old material so something new can emerge. Psychologically, it's the stage where everything falls apart, where we are forced to confront pain, loss, trauma, or identity collapse. It's the death before rebirth. But here's the thing. Pain is not the enemy. Denying it is. Most people try to skip this part. They want the breakthrough without the breakdown. They want Rubillo, the red, the enlightenment, without first being shattered in the black. But if you're in Nigredo right now, if your life feels like it's in ruins, this isn't a mistake, it's a stage. And it's necessary. In therapy, we often see Nigredo show up as depression, grief, burnout, or existential crisis. It's when the old structures of meaning start to fall apart. Your beliefs about yourself, others, or the world begin to crack. This is not a failure. This is the psyche beginning its descent. It's you standing on the ashes of what no longer serves you. But what happens when we resist this stage? We numb it, avoid it, or blame ourselves for feeling it. And that's like telling a seed not to die before it grows, or demanding a forest fire return everything exactly as it was before. That's not how transformation works. So how do we work with Nigredo instead of against it? Step 1. Name it. Call it what it is. Say, I'm in Nigredo, not I'm broken or I'm failing. This is my blackening. That simple shift in language turns suffering into process. It gives it shape. Step 2. Feel without fixing. This is not the part where you analyze everything. This is the part where you feel it fully. Cry, scream, journal, stare out the window. Whatever your process is, lean into it. Step 3. Reduce distractions. Nigredo doesn't need more stimulation. It needs stillness. It needs you to be present in the mass long enough to learn what it's trying to teach you. And step 4, don't rush the process. This stage ends when it's ready, not when you're impatient. The beauty of Nigredo is this. It makes space. When everything falls apart, what remains is what's real. Underneath the pain, there's always truth. That's what makes this stage holy. It's the sacred compost of the psyche. Without this dark decay, no new self can take root. Here's a reflection for today. Ask yourself, what part of me is falling apart? Where am I being asked to release? And here's a journaling prompt. If I stopped resisting this pain, what will it reveal? This has been Everyday Alchemy. I'm the Heathen Therapist. Until next time, keep in mind, Nigredo is where all true transformation begins. It's not a punishment, it's an invitation.